Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology's Schools Out Neon Collection. This is Slam Book and I'm just going to swatch the tops of the bottles today and show you what they look like. These are not brand new. I didn't get them when they first came out. So oh, and that one's not wanting to stick. Oh lordy. So then we got Summer Fun. And I have changed it up. I am screwing the lids on so I don't have to be so careful. And then pick it up and put them on. Very, very much smoother there. And then we've got Pencils Down. Now, I will have a link for these down in the description box. And I do have a 10% off coupon code if you'd like to order these. I'm not getting paid to do these. I did buy them. Next, we've got Food Fight, and of course now it's blurry. All these issues, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just don't know the troubles us YouTubers have sometimes. You know, it's either equipment or user error or whatever. But for the most part, these all did really well. And then we've got Blue Glue. And I have to tell you, I love these. I saw them on my friend Jillie's channels. And I'll have a link for her down below. And when I saw how well they stamped over black, I was really happy. So, Class Clown is next. Back to the blurriness. Sorry. I'm going to scrape it though and put it on the bottle cap. And so, since I saw them, I had to have them. I'm going to top them all with the Wet n Wild Clear. I've done the rest of them. I just wanted to, out of frame show y'all what this looked like. And then we're going to go through them real quick. My lighting's just not all that great. I'm working on it still. But I think they all swatched really, really well. Look how good they look over black. So, like I said, I'll have links down below. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video of mine. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about these stamping polishes. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.